Hello, tubers. Welcome back to the Stink Bug Works. I thought I'd show you what I do with epoxy here. Everybody has their own favorite epoxy, and this is what I've been using for a long time. It's made by a company called MKS, and it's L-285 Epoxy. And this epoxy has to be mixed at a ratio of 40 to 100. And that's not 40 to 39, that's not 39 to 100 or 41 to 100, that's 40 to 100. This is aircraft grade stuff, and you know, to be legal, it's got to be exactly that. Well, for model boats, we're going to get as close as we possibly can. I have in here 1.75 grams of epoxy. I want to multiply that by 0.4, and I need to add 0.7 of a gram of this hardener. So if I just start going in here one drop at a time, 0.7 of a gram, and there's it. Takes a while for the scale to register, so when we get close, it's going to be add a drop, wait, add a drop, wait. See, we're getting close. 63, 67, one more drop ought to do it. 68, there's 71. Okay. There you go. That's how you get a stoichiometric mix ratio with high quality epoxy. And then, of course, you got to stir it and stir it and stir it. Now, you know what? And here's a lot of things a lot of people do not know about epoxy. They actually give off fumes. So imagine this is a bowl of lacquer thinner. And so if you're the least bit susceptible to fumes and such, be careful with this stuff. Also, you should be wearing gloves, but this particular application, I'm only going to be adding drops from the end of this stirring stick. I'm never going to get close to this. Actually, my left hand is as close to the epoxy as I'm ever going to get. And with this stuff, you need to stir it for at least a minute. The longer you stir it, the better. Again, it's the mix ratio, and you've got to have a thorough mix. And since this stuff takes a good day to cook off, you can spend a little time stirring it, you know. You don't have to write. It's not like working with 5-minute epoxy where once you put the two parts together, you got 5 minutes. So anyway, I thought I'd show you my brand of epoxies. It's kind of like the consistency of maple syrup. Yeah, yeehaw. Okay, so there you go. A little lesson in epoxy, and until next time, Jet out.